Welcome back to Dr. Zayen's Science Lab. Today I'll be unboxing this squishy human body toy. And Meera, if you're watching this, thank you. This human body has 21 removable parts. It has many, and let me show you at the back. This is the stomach, lungs, brain, heart, etc.
अगला पेज अगला पेज जल्दी कर लो बोर्ड हो गया
Wow, such a great human body structure. So, children, this is your ribcage, and all the white and bony structures are your skeletal system. All the red are your muscular system. This, if I remove the ribcage, you see the heart. And these are the two lungs, and this is the stomach. And if I behind the stomach are your kidneys. This is the small intestine, and this is your large intestine. And here under this skull is your brain. Such an excellent model of the human body. Now, children, I will explain you about the skeletal system. The skeletal system is made out of these white bones. Fun fact, these bones are living and growing body parts. And inside these bones is a part called the marrow, which produces red and white blood cells to the whole body. Now I will tell you some important bones of the skeletal system. First is the skull. It is like a helmet which protects your brain. Let me show it to you. This is the skull, and this is the brain. Second, our shoulder blades. They are actually not attached to the back. Then third is humerus. These joints help us. These ball joints help us to move our arms in different directions. Then fourth are radius, and the fifth is ulna. These bones help your wrist move. And the sixth one is your hands. Thumb is a special finger because it can twist and move in different directions and help us grip on items. Rib cage. It protects your vital organs. Then, then this is the backbone, which has 33 bones stacked like blocks. Then this is the hip bone, which is shaped like a bowl to hold your guts. Then is the femur. It's the longest bone in your body. Then it is tibia and fibula. These are the two bones which make your lower leg. 13 is your feet. It has 26 bones in each feet. Thank you.